How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on Profile at the bottom right. Here, click on three lines at the top right. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down and click on Help Center. After you click on Help Center in here, simply scroll down and search for using TikTok. After you find using TikTok, click on See More. After you click on See More in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Other. After you've clicked on Other in here, it will lead you to this page. Now in here at the bottom, click on Need More Help, and then you can simply type in your issue. I would like to request the deletion of all my reposts. TikTok will reply and delete all your reposts. This is how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.